And with the last full trading week of the year in the books, we thought we'd take a look back at 2024's major moves from tech to high flyers to key reversals. It is time for the traders to lay out what they think is the chart of the year 2024. Steve Grasso.
I mean, you have to go with, for me, you have to go with micro strategies. And if you look at how it's outperformance with the underlying Bitcoin, it's probably a 3.5 to 1 outperformance. You look at it, this could be the chart of the week, the chart of the month, the chart of the year. It's the chart of the year for these purposes. It'll probably continue to be the chart of the year for me.
Are you in MicroStrategy, and would you rather MicroStrategy over Bitcoin?
Oh, wow.
So
a lot in there.
The way you flip that around. I am not in MicroStrategies now. I am in Bitcoin through the Grayscale minis. Would I rather? I probably should be in MicroStrategies but I don't like it. It burns both ways. The 3.5 outperformance is also outperformance to the downside. So I'd rather just be in Bitcoin. I know what I'm buying.
All right. Tim?
My chart is the RSP equal-weighted S&P, but the relative underperformance of equal-weighted S&P to S&P. So I'm not sure what chart we have here, but ultimately, if you look at what equal-weighted has done throughout the year, first of all, we are closing the year essentially at relative lows against the S&P. That broadening of the market that we were so excited about over the summer, which was almost an 8% move in July of equal-weighted and value plays, and the broader market, which is since Thanksgiving has been a straight nosedive lower. So as you can see, this ratio chart kind of shows you where we started the year. It's 12% of underperformance. And again, we're back to those same 7 or 8 stocks. And it's pretty interesting because I would have said a year ago, hey, I don't think the S&P is going to ever be 36% 7 stocks again. And in fact, that's where it is now. If you include Broadcom as the 8th stock, you're at 36%. It's slightly bigger as a concentration as it was a year ago. So I just think it's fascinating that markets have that roller coaster intra-year.
So would you rather into 2025 equal weight or S&P?
I'm going to answer it with the caveat that if I think rates are going higher, I want to own the top 7 stocks. I just think they're going to be more defensive. But I do believe that this is a time to be buying the broader market.
Karen, what's your chart?
It's actually very similar to Tim's in its concept. So my chart is the Mag 7 versus the IWM. And so getting to this, what generated the overperformance? The Mag 7, very strong again after we think about what a big year they had last year. And on top of that, to continue with this outperformance. And then the IWM, even though a lot of things set up nicely for it, lower rates, maybe not as low as we hoped, but a regulatory environment that might be more hospitable to them, mergers, for example, and the banks doing better. Didn't matter. It didn't matter. And so ultimately we get, I think, a peak divergence at the very end of the year. That's surprising to me.
Would you rather? Go ahead.
Yeah, you need to ask her the same question.
I asked that question.
You want to switch it up?
Predictable. I mean, I already asked it 2 times in a row. Fast forward to Mike Coe. Mike, what's your chart?
Get ready, Mike.
Yeah, I mean, so Steve's picking a chart that looks really interesting to the upside, and Tim looking at one to the downside, I guess, on a relative basis. Karen, too. I'm looking at one that's just going sideways. So energy has gone sideways all this year. It's actually gone sideways effectively for 10 years. If you went back 10 years, this is essentially a dead money trade. I am thinking that there might be some opportunity for, a potential rebound this year if we see, an uptick in some other areas. These things don't really trade that expensive. So, I'm kind of looking at this for 2025. Maybe this is the year.